Hey friends, welcome back to our researching channel The Fact and Research, and in this video we are going to talk about some shocking fact. So let's begin. List number 10. This is the fact from the Guinness Book of World Record. This book itself made a record in it that this book is the most often stolen book from the public library. Isn't you think that's amazing? List number 9. First you multiply this number into this number. It means the square of 111,111,111. The result you get really shocked you. It means it gives the result ascending order 1 to 9 and descending order 9 to 1. It means the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you shocked? List number 8. Did you know a snail can sleep for 3 years? It is due to a snail need mature climate condition to survive. So if the weather is not matching and appropriate for them, then they sleep up to 3 years. List number 7. This is the fact especially for the women, those who using lipstick. Fact is that most lipstick contain fish scales. Actually, the use of fish scales in lipstick is that the fish scales contain a silver colored substance which is used in a lipstick for the responsible of shining and making lipstick more attractive. List number 6. Did you know the shortest complete sentence in our English language? If not, please listen carefully. I am is the shortest complete sentence in our English language. List number 5. This is fact about Facebook that if Facebook was a country, it would 1 billion more people than the largest populated country, China. Facebook has 2.45 billion monthly users, whereas the China population is 1.4 billion. And did you know which country has the more users of Facebook? The highest number of users of Facebook is from India, which is 251 million. Second is US, which is 240 million. Third, Brazil, 139 million. Fourth, Indonesia, 136.96 million. Fifth, Mexico, 78 million. List number 4. Meet the 66 years old American citizen Ashrit Furman. He is the Guinness World Record holder. He has held more than 600 official Guinness records and currently hold more than 200 records. He was the man who won the title for the most Guinness record holders. List number 3. As blue whale is the largest animal of the world, we can hear a blue whale's heartbeat from 2 miles away. As 2 miles away, blue whale's heart weight is about 400 pounds. That's why it produces loud sound and can be heard from 2 miles away. List number 2. Did you know hot water will turn into ice faster than cold water? It is hardly believable fact but true, and I know about 99% of the users who watching this video can't accept it. Due to various reasons it's happening. Firstly, it can be proved by Mpemba effect. Mpemba effect occurs when two bodies of water with different temperature are exposed at the same sub-zero surrounding. Evaporation is the best example to explain the Mpemba effect. As hot water placed in an open container, then the mass decreases of some water by evaporates. With less water, the process can take less time, which make hot water freeze faster than cold water. But this always don't work, especially when using closed container, because it prevents from evaporating. Secondly reason is that there may less dissolved gas presence in the warmer water, which reduce water ability to conduct heat and lead to freeze faster than cold water. List number 1. The biggest landowner of the world is Queen of Great Britain, Elizabeth. She legally owns about 16.6% of the Earth's land surface area, from Britain, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and many more. If the percentage is calculated of the total land surface of Russia, then it will be 11%. It means the Queen Elizabeth won the land appropriately, the sum of the world's first and second largest country, that is
Russia and Canada.
So friends, in this video that's much, and we are coming soon in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share to our video.